Your skeleton could be silently dissolving from the inside out, and the solution you've been sold might be a dangerous illusion. Every year, millions of men face a hidden structural collapse, a slow-motion crumbling of the very frame that supports them. This isn't about aging gracefully. It's a battle against fragility, where a simple fall can become a life-altering event. The enemy is porous, brittle bone, and the fight for your foundation starts now. For decades, the prevailing wisdom has been simple: pop a calcium pill. But the hard data tells a different, more alarming story. Extensive research documents that these supplements provide, at best, a meager 0.5 to 1.2% improvement in bone density. Worse, these small gains often vanish the moment you stop taking them. According to the Mayo Clinic, calcium supplements have only a modest and limited effect on bone density. This isn't a solution. It's a temporary patch on a fundamental problem, and it comes with a cost. The issues with relying solely on supplements go beyond their ineffectiveness. Some long-term studies have raised serious red flags, suggesting potential links between high-dose calcium supplementation and an increased risk of heart attack. The mechanism is a terrifying paradox. The very mineral meant to strengthen your bones may instead deposit in your arteries, forming dangerous plaque. Furthermore, other research has pointed to potential connections with prostate health issues when taken without proper medical context. The pill designed to protect you could be introducing entirely new threats to your system. The real science-backed solution isn't found in a bottle. It's forged in force. Resistance training is the single most powerful stimulus for bone growth. When you lift a weight or perform a bodyweight squat, you apply mechanical stress to your skeleton. This stress sends a powerful biological signal to your bone cells, commanding them to rebuild stronger and denser. Studies are unequivocal, showing that strength exercise can generate 2 to 3% increases in lumbar spine bone density, double or even triple the effect of supplements. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a fundamental remodeling of your body's architecture. So, how do you execute the optimal strategy? It's a precise 3-part protocol that integrates mechanical stress with targeted nutrition. This is the blueprint for rebuilding your foundation. First, the exercise. You must focus on compound movements that load the hips and spine. 3 times per week, your routine must include exercises like goblet squats or deadlifts. These movements directly stress the most vulnerable bones. Add loaded carries, like the farmer's walk, holding heavy dumbbells for 30-40 yards. This creates systemic, full-body stress that signals bone reinforcement everywhere. The goal is progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight over time. This is the non-negotiable stimulus. Second, dietary calcium. Forget megadosing with pills. Your body absorbs calcium far more effectively from food. Your daily target is around 100 to 200 milligrams. Achieve this with sources like a cup of plain Greek yogurt, a 3-ounce serving of sardines with bones, and a cup of fortified tofu. This food-first approach provides calcium in a natural matrix with other minerals, enhancing absorption and avoiding the risks of isolated supplements. Third, and this is the critical missing link, is nutrient synergy. Calcium is useless if it doesn't get to your bones. You need vitamin D3 to absorb calcium from your gut. Aim for 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, especially if you have limited sun exposure. But the real secret weapon is vitamin K2, specifically the MK7 form. K2 acts like a traffic cop, activating proteins that direct calcium into your bones and, crucially, away from your arteries and soft tissues. A daily dose of 100-200 micrograms of K2-MK7 completes the system. This 3-part protocol, stress, diet, and direction, is the evidence-based path to building a truly resilient skeleton.